Hello students and teachers, whoever is watching this video. Uh, I'll just show you how to use Desmos, and later you can explore in detail what you can do on Desmos. So this is the desmos.com website, and you just click on those who want to practice, just to see how this website is creating graphs. You can just click on start graphing, and there you will have an option to write the equations. So suppose I'm writing the equation of the linear equation. So y equals to x. So now you can see y equals to x is a straight line graph. When we add plus, suppose 4. Now this is a graph of y equals to x plus 4. Now either you use the traditional method or your slope intercept form, you will get the same graph. You can see here, when you take x equals to 0, y equals to 4. When you take y equals to 0, x equals to minus 4, and you got a straight line. Now I'm just showing you if you can take the example of non-linear equation. So I just wrote y square, and I'm just removing this y square equals to, it will take a time for you to use the power, uh, and, and I'm writing y equals to 8x. Suppose y equals to 8x. Now you can see the graph here, y equals to 8x. So in that way you can have a multiple graph here. If you want to see one graph, you can close this one graph and you can see only this one graph. So you can use it for any topic, but this is just to see how Desmos is giving you the graph, and you put the entries there. In the next video I will show how to create the login into the teacher's account, and how to add students there, how to bring students there with the help of link. Thank you for watching this video.